Good afternoon, applicant. Are you now ready for your interview?
Yes, sir, I am.
Let's start. State your name.
I am Jamara Romero.
And how do you describe yourself?
I'm just a simple person who wants to be a successful one someday.
What skills do you have?
I'm a little bit familiar in Isteno. I can speak English, Kapampangan, and Filipino. In short, I am good in communicating other people. And I also know how to use technology.
Okay. What led you choose your major field or study?
I choose this career because I want to work in office. And when I become successful, it's advantage for me to manage my own business.
What is your greatest weaknesses and strength?
I have no any weaknesses and strengths rather than my family.
And why should I hire you?
Because I am flexible, I can work under pressure, I know how to manage my time well, and you can also trust and depend on me.
What are your immediate career goals?
To become a successful CEO of a famous company.
In what kind of work environment are you most comfortable?
In business field, because it's the environment I keep on dreaming since when I was a child.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.